Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County, northeastern Clinton County, Howard County, northwestern Tipton County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles west of Kokomo, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rushville around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Kokomo and Indian Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Carroll, Clinton, Howard, and Tipton.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.